Hey everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it might be for you. Justin with Two Stall Garage. Well, the D50 is in the final stages of the revival, so that's going to get ready to head down the road, hopefully to an excited new owner. What that means is we need the next project car. Let's get started. All right, here it is. This is a 2005 Mazda 6. And story on this goes, it's a one owner car. 79,000 original miles. One day they came out to drive it and it didn't turn over. The lights on the dash came on, but that was it. You can see it was smucked right here. I think this might be savable. Tires definitely look like they've sat for a little while. This looks actually really good. This could be repainted, turn out nice. They're asking $600 or best offer for this car. A little bit of a tear on the seat there, not terrible. Otherwise the seats look like they're in good condition, just need to be cleaned up. Smells like it was a smoker's car. Not terrible, but it is just there a little bit. I don't have the keys for this. I do have the permission to come take a look at it. Yeah, it definitely smells like a smoker's car in here. There's the dash. Oh, that's a little broken right there. Wonder if that could be fixed. Oh, it looks like it's busted, so that'll have to be replaced probably, or just sold as is. Probably replaced. Typical fashion, these vents are broken. This middle one's good. Dirty center console. That works. This doesn't stay up either. Let's hop in here real quick. Looks good. Those switches seem to work. Buttons all seem to work. Yep. The buttons aren't wore off. That one's okay. See that the headliner is coming off. Yeah. Battery's dead in this. Now I can tell you, I did have my battery pack on this. Not today, but a little while ago, about a week and a half ago. And what I found was, as soon as you turn the key on, it pops the TCM module fuse. Door panels are in good shape. This is the driver's side rear fender. Definitely rotted. It's crazy that it'd be rotted this bad for where we're at. They don't really put salt down on the roads, but I guess it happens. Down there it's really bad. Let's check underneath here. Not too bad. A little bit up there. Paint coming off. Looks okay underneath. Back seat. Nice back lid there. You can see the ceiling coming down. See if we can pop the hood here. What's this? I know this isn't a sports car. It's not a fancy car, but it's a realistic car. Oh, I'm stuck. And that's what we're going for here. Realistic type stuff. With this one, beat the gas prices, I suppose. Well, I can see right here that the electrical's been kind of touched on. Okay. So overall, it looks like a pretty clean engine bay. 16 valve VVT. Allegedly it ran good before it just stopped turning over. Coolant looks good, nice and green. There's coolant in the overflow, that looks clean. Oil is right at the full mark, right on the money, so that's good. It looks like it's a good color too. Power steering fluid looks good. Oil test, SAE 520. That looks good. I think this is a 4-cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the back, I don't think so. Let's see here. That's falling apart. Let's see. Yeah, 4 fuel injectors, 4 wires, 4 plugs. If I can get this off. So when I was in here last, where's the TCM? Engine 7.5. I wonder if that one's good or not. Here's the TCM 10 amp right here, which is going to be right there. Can have the jumper pack on it, and it's okay. Everything's still good. But as soon as you turn the ignition to on, this pops. I didn't have a bunch of 10 amps with. I'll put that back on the right way. And I didn't want to just burn through a bunch of the owner's 10 amps. Otherwise, I mean, this wiring looks good. See if I can pop that out of there. Notice that looks like some grease in there. Let's see, that's what that is. As far as I know, they didn't take it to any shops or have it diagnosed. What they did was they called up the local junkyard, which is just right here in town. They got scrap price for the car. Still has a clean title, but it is currently in possession of the junkyard, and it's going to get a junking title or a junk title if it's not purchased. It's been sitting here for a while. Drive by it every morning. Again, that looks good. This looks bad. Goodness, look at that. Just silly. But the key thing to remember about this is the interior is okay. Not too bad. And the engine has 79,000 miles on it. The back looks good. I don't think I can get the trunk open. Let me check. Let's see here. Is there a button anywhere? Where's the button? Yeah, there it is. It's not going to open up. Mazda 6. So there it is. I want you guys to tell us what you do. Is this a save or scrap? I know it's parked here on a little side street. It's actually parked here in the back of a house that's pretty broken down and not lived in anymore. They want 600 or best offer, or they're going to part it out, give it a junk certificate, junk title. So there it is. junkyard just wanted to offer it up just in case somebody wanted to buy it before they sent it to scrap for the rest of its days. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Let us know, would you save this car or would you let it go to scrap? 79,000 original miles, 600 best offer, and we're gonna see what you have to say. We'll talk to you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.